dip it back in, pull it out. As you can tell, I'm low on oil. Stick it back in. And that's how you check oil. This is where you'll put your new oil in. Your 5W30 and a filter. Alright. This is your filter here you'll need. Here's lubricant for your plug. Where's that wrench at?
Right up here.
Alright. Here's this is your oil filter here. Here's your oil plug. You want to listen to this? Pull this out. If I can bolt long enough. Oh. Alright. While it's draining out, you will wipe this off. Are you looking at me? Wipe this off. Now I see why I had the thing so far away. No, that's fine. Did anyone get able to hear sound? Wipe that off. Should we lubricate this right now?
Yeah.
Alright. That's as pissed as I can stay before. Alright. Alright, wash your. Alright, here's lubricant I got. Put on this plug. Wait, am I supposed to lubricant this too?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait, how long is it? What are we at right now?
210.
210, alright. You washing it right now?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. This is lubricant here. You don't want to let that drain all the way out. I can't believe that fucking missed.
Dude, go.
I can't put it back on. Alright, we'll tear this open. I think so. Fuck, we ain't tearing this open then.
Other way, other way.
Down here?
Rip it like sideways.
Oh.
There you go.
That worked real well. Fuck it, dude, I don't care. Do we have to put lubricant on it? Alright. Fuck, dude, this ain't working. Fuck.
We
Oh,
got
well, screw it. I don't have to do lubricant. There it is. Put this on there. Like that. Should I put it back on now?
Mm-hmm. Wait, no, clean that off. Clean that off.
Around where?
With the paper towel.
Clean this all off. You know, it's still coming out. Is that alright?
Yeah.
Put it back on.
Just clean off a little bit and put it back on.
Put this back on.
It's gonna be something funny to look back at.
How tight do I do this thing? Tight?
Mm-hmm.
I'll have you tighten it up after the video, okay?
Yeah. Hopefully we're gonna be able to edit the sound off of it.
No, I'll just turn the volume down. Alright. Next, over here now. It's up here.
Move the oil pan. Don't want to miss this time.
I hope not. Pull that off. Fuck, dude. Is that supposed to do that?
Yes.
Shut up, dude.
He said you turned out the video.
Huh?
No.
I can't get a hold of it.
Twist. Twist.
I'm losing grip. Alright. I need something to fucking wipe this on, dude. That's not good for a new folder, is it? Huh?
I don't know.
Have to wipe that off around there or not?
No, yeah.
Alright, did I put the new one on or not?
Yeah.
Put it on right now, just like that.
Mm-hmm.
When it's all dirty like that.
No, wipe it off.
All right, wipe this all off. That good, Skylar? That good?
A little bit down the sidewall. Yep, right there.
Dude, this filter's a lot bigger. Is this the right filter?
Yeah.
Put this new filter on.
You still got 3 minutes.
Like, how am I gonna do this now? Huh? If I can tighten it. Fuck, you suck.
As long as you get a C on this, we're good.
Am I doing it right, you think, right now?
You got about 5 minutes. 4 minutes.
Is that tight enough, you think? Is that tight enough?
Yes, yes, you're good.
Fuck, dude, this is stuck.
It's act like you pulled it off there or something.
Alright. I'll have to take it off. Alright, I'll just have to take it off. Alright, let's go. Back underneath the hood. I didn't lubricate that, is that right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright. Fish didn't bring that light up here. Can you still see it right?
Yeah, we're fine.
Go over here on this side of me.
Alright.
Take this off. Put this on here. Watch out here.
Shorter people props.
Fucking thing off.
I should have thought of that.
I hope it ain't stuck on there. Why should I say it's cleaner? Huh?
Huh?
Should I talk about how it got so dirty while the oil's draining out? Because I can't have that awkward pause that long. Huh?
Yeah, just talk about the oil is this dirty because yada,
Why
yada,
does it
yada.
get too much oil in it?
You can't. There's no way. Check the dipstick.
This is a lot of fucking oil. I have to put a whole other quart in there or half a quart?
Another quart.
A whole quart.
Yeah. 6 quarts. This thing at least has to take 6 quarts. If it doesn't, that's just weird.
Fuck.
Dude, your arm is
Looks like a fucking nigger.
yeah, pretty much.
What are you staring at? So am I gonna talk about like this the whole time? How fucking stupid I am?
Like, we're putting in,
5W30?
yeah.
Is that enough for now, you think? The whole thing in?
No, just stop. Tell
There's
them,
nothing left.
tell them you quit because you gotta check and
I quit because I have to
make
check the dipstick.
Yep. Check and make sure. And if there's more than what you need, then who knows?
Wipe it off.
Is that enough?
Check back in there and check it. I don't know. Hope so. If not, I'll just do it after the video. Check it. Is that enough again?
Yeah.
Alright, that's enough. Watch this, and it was a 5W30 oil. Take this out. Put it back in. Now, go back underneath the hood in the truck. Come on, or stay right here. Alright, here's the light. Here on the truck. Here, come over here. Turn the truck on, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna turn the truck on, let it run for a little bit. Alright. After it idles. Alright. I think you turn it off, don't you? Hold on. Fuck. I think what came on, see? I have to do it like that's going on. And there you go, 100% oil left remaining. I go back over here, it took forever. That took forever, dude. I can't figure out how to do it. Come back under here. Check oil again. Dude, that took fucking forever. I thought it
This is an 11-minute video.
was it really?
Yeah.
I'll stop in that short. Pull it out. Check it. That's good.